You have a building that's extremely far away and the customer wants it armed. There's no way to get a wire there. Wireless is too far away. Well, if they have network, I got exactly what you need. Keypad does not have PoE built in, so you're going to have to run a transformer wire and a wire to their network. First step would be getting IP addresses from your network administrator. You're going to need one for the control panel, one for the keypad, and one for the zone expander if you plan on doing a zone expander. Step 2, hold command and back arrow down. Type in the letters INST. Command. Keypad options. It comes default address 7. I'm leaving it that because I don't have anything addressed at number 7. You're going to turn DHCP off. You're going to assign the IP address the network administrator gave you. The mask, the gateway. There's where you got to address the panel's IP address. We'll go over that in a minute. Leave that default. There you have to create a passphrase. This has to match whatever's in the control panel. This is all you do at the keypad. Step 3, you have to program the panel, PROG. Go to network options. DHCP, you have to turn that to no. There's where you assign the IP address that the network administrator gave you. Gateway and net mask. Leave the port default. There's where you put the passphrase. This has to match your keypad and your zone expander. You can make it up anything that has 8 characters. Step 4, you have to set it up in device programming. We made that one 7. Name it anything you want. You have to set it up as keypad. There you have to set it up as net. There's displaying the areas that you want the keypad to see. Now you have a keypad on the network that's much faster than wireless, responds much quicker.